Guys, welcome to My Nature India YouTube channel. So here today you will be learning about Jamnapuri goats, how this breed came into Karnataka and what is the born place of this breed. So let me tell you that this breed born place is actually Karnataka, not Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh or Kashmir, but the actual place of this breed is Karnataka. The breed of Kashmir, what we tell as Gulabi, it was the breed of Kashmir, but when it just came into different colors and with the different faces, it got as Jamnapuri. So here you can see this you can see. This is called as Gulabi. So it has 17 inches of ear and length in the length and width as 6.5 inches. So this is what we call as Gulabi. So this breed it's of Karnataka, but not actually from Kashmir. In Kashmir, if you see, they'll be having 22 inches, 23 inches of ear, but this has approx 17 inches. But in Karnataka, what the Jamnapuri actually will have is the minimum starts from 16 inches of ears, and it will last till 22 inches. So here you can see, we'll be having a punch face in the Jamnapuri. So there is a punch face, what we call it as, and this color is, we'll be telling it as chocolate, even Nasi will be telling. So here this is, even Coca-Cola, Nasi will be calling it as. The Nasi color we have, in that we'll be having even the Jet Nasi. So the Jet Nasi will be, here you can see the Jet Nasi. This color is known as Jet Nasi. Even we call it as a black tiger. It is a breed of Shan. It is a son, like it will be having a bloodline of Shan. Like his grandfather is named as Shan, so we even call it as Shan. And it has a blood Nasi, and you can see the punch over his face. You can see the punch, and it has 18 inches of ear, and it is also called as black tiger. So you can cover. So here you can see the line of Hyderabad, which we have already in Karnataka. He is known as King line. So his face will be different from this male. From the black tiger, his face will be different. He is known as King, and his color is Nasi, what we call it as chocolate. This king is, its age is around 1.5 years, and we got it when it was 6 months age. And we can see here it is now, we call it as Muskan. So you can see the punch face it has. So this is known as the home breed. Like Muskan is the home breed what we got from different people, and it may cost you like around 1.5 lakhs. The breed of this Jamnapuri will start ranging from 25,000 to 30,000, the minimum range of this, and it will last up to 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. It depends on its ear, face, color. So here you can see it is known as a block, which is mixed with white and chocolate. So we call it as a block. So here you can see this breed, which doesn't have a punch face. It is a normal breed, but the ear of this is 18 inches length, and the width of this is 8.5 inches. You can see this. So it is Nasi, and we even call it as a Coca-Cola color. So now the people are just looking for the fancy things. So even this is the fancy things which we have started breeding. This has come from our father. Like he has been doing this from around 25 to 30 years. When we were small, we had one. When I was small, I used to see that he used to have one gulabi, which was very famous in the Malur taluk, and from then to till now, he's been having this only breed, which is famous in Malur and even in Karnataka, and we even export this to the Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat. People come here and look for this breed and they just buy this. So I just convey that going for the fancy things, for fancy numbers or something else, go for this breeding. From this, what happens is we can save the breed of our Karnataka. We can expand this. We can take it to the next level. Like now we have in Karnataka, and we are exporting this breed to Hyderabad. So what our plan is, we want this to be gone universal. Like people of other states even should buy this. Jamnapuri should get famous over here. The Hyderabad people are just having at least one person has one Jamnapuri goat in their home. ಮೈ ನೇಚರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಾನು ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ನಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೈ ನೇಚರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ thank you everyone for watching this video.